All right, welcome back to Brando Consulting. Today we're going to be taking a look at MiSys, and with that we're going to be inputting a supplier. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and click on a new supplier. Pretty simple. Anything in MiSys that you're inputting, chances are you're going to start with it in the master file. So here we go. Supplier number 5150, we're putting that in just because that's kind of how our suppliers are listed. So we're going to put in Jones Lead because today we're going to go ahead and put in a graphite supplier. It's going to auto-populate here on short name and on address. We're going to put our information in here. Then we're going to input the terms, net 30. All right, so all we're doing is hitting the tab bar as we go through here, and contact, we're going to put our contact here, and here's the guy that we actually are going to call and contact and email when we actually need these things. So, all right, now we're going to go to notes. That's anything you need to add in there, and items, that is where we can put in things later, but we're not going to put any items in yet because all we're doing is creating a supplier. So for delivery, here we go. All right, their normal delivery is UPS. All right, and here we're going to put destination, and here we're going to put freight as prepaid. Now, if you have any questions on what goes in here, we've got a screen to help you figure it out, but you can also look at your supplier contracts if you don't know. All right, so now we're going to do both, and since this can be different than your main contact, which usually it's going to be, unless it's a smaller company that you're getting supplied from, we're going to go ahead and put whoever we're going to send the PO to. So it's going to be jana@jonesled.com. All right, so all of this is going to be grayed out because we haven't placed an order before. Same thing with purchase orders. We haven't purchased anything before, so that's why it's all blank. However, that will auto-populate as you do more and more work with these guys. Anyway, thanks for joining us today, and we'd like you to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks, everybody. Bye.